was taking a dump, looking at my phone, playing a game with a podcast minimized on the top right. Something, everybody's brain is cooked, no one's being creative anymore.
The gray that overruns my life is making itself more and more apparent. The bite marks on my bottom lip refresh themselves every time I wake up. My eyes and mind wander aimlessly in the dull and cold valley I observe the world as. My knees are buckling under my own weight. My hands repeatedly grasp the hands of strangers as my eyes fail to seize the opportunity to look into their soul. My mouth can't relay the information my brain is pushing out or the emotion my heart is projecting. This is what a drag it is to wake up in someone else's skin. When can I stop living to fit in the confines of my self-limitation? Who out there is walking in my clothes? How will I take back who I was, and when I do, what will be my next endeavor?
Whoa! Whoa! Different guy from the start of the video. No beard. Not bald, just balding. I made a song. Without knowing anything about music theory or any musical ability at all. This is my first ever track. It might be ass, we'll see.